Okay, so now we finished all the initial and the finals, right? So we will practice more each lesson. Now let's read one more time together. Just when we took a break, so many of you asked me the question. If you need some record, I read for you. You later after class, you can send me WeChat message. I will send to you. Then you can practice by yourself at home. Okay? So let's read one more time together, and then we will learn some useful words and sentences. Okay? Let's start. 我 一 无 ü I A V ao o u ye yue an in wen yun ing wong. Okay. Next, initial. 波 坡 摸 佛 的 特 呢 了 个 可 呵 鸡 七 西 之 吃 是 日 子 此 思 一 物. Yes. So these are, I repeat, yeah, very important, is the foundation. So because this, if you can make it very good, correct, then pronunciation, you will have good, correct pronunciation. So you can practice at home. If you need some record, you send me message, I will send it to you. Okay? So now let's continue with first. This one. Let's use 10 minutes. Don't have? We just practice this to see the result. You just learn the initial and the final, right? Okay, so the first line, let's do, how to do. Okay, the first line, who try? Okay, listen, if wrong, you will be the judge. You tell which one is wrong, okay? Okay, please.
Ba, bao, dai, dan, di, dang, bin, bu.
Good, all correct. Second line, okay.
San, fang, bai, fang, pa, ban, bao, bu.
Good. Next, third line, okay.
Ma, mai, mang, main, mi, man, main.
Nice. Four. Okay.
Ba, feng, feng, fu.
Oh, slowly.
Ba, feng, feng, fu, feng, feng, fo, fei.
The first three, please.
Feng.
From the first one to the third.
Feng.
The second and the third again.
Ba, feng, feng, feng.
Okay, so. This one? Yes, fan. Yes, it's an, right? So for an, fan. So it's fan. This one? Yes, fang. Yeah, fang. Yes, this is a fang. So because okay, now let's listen what's the difference, okay? Now you just listen, please. This is fan, fen, 方风 yeah different 是翻分方风 yes right it's different yes also like 翻方分风
法法风风
okay I think here from an N this one yeah need to make a different I will help you these two yes so okay so number 4 the first three 是发翻方 yeah then 夫分风风飞 yes okay 5
Da, dan, dao, du, dan, dai, den.
okay 6
ta thắng 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 thái thổ thu thủy
yes 7
Nó,
okay 7
nó, nán, nấu, nú, nấy, nắng, ninh.
good 8 yes
lá lai lan lao lú liu lăng leng lý
good 9
Ga, gan, gan, gu, gen, gan, gui.
good 10
kha khai khăn khu khâu kham khao kham
good 11
Hu, ho, han, hen, hen, hui, hui, hằng.
good 12 number 12 yes
Ja, jan, jao, jai, ju, jo, jui.
good all these are real words then later we just add different tone add character all are real words right okay 13
cha, chai, chan, chu, chu, chang.
good 14
Sa, su, sai, shou, shen, shao, shan.
nice good 15
Shan,
Run, run, ran, run, ru.
very good 16
Zai, zao, zan, zu, zao, zu, zang, zen, ziu. Zui.
the last one
Zui.
yes yes okay 17 yes
Sa, sao, sai, san, sang, zui, zun.
good 18
Sa, su, su, san, sang, sao, sai, sui, sen.
good 19 very good 19 yes
ya yan yo yao yong yang yin yin
good 20 20
của, văn, vinh, của, vinh.
slowly again please
Võ, ván, vong, vinh, vô, vinh.
yes 21
De, the, na, le, ge, ke, he.
good 22 yes
Je, she, re, ze, se.
nice very good 23
Yao, yang, bie, vi.
yes 24
Tiao, pian, pai, pin.
the third
Pai, piai,
Bia,
pie,
bia, bia,
pie,
yes because here how to say yeah so it's a 撇 yes so the 飘偏撇 pin right yes 25
喵面咪面
Yes, 26.
点点雕丢对
26 again, please, slowly.
点对
Die, die, die. That's English.
雕丢对
Yes, yes. Remember the second one is dear, okay, not die. Dear. Because this one, right, is the year, dear, yeah, yes. Okay, 27.
点雕跌丢多
Good. 28. Yes.
年年娘母
Good. 29.
摇梁梁裸裸
Good. 30. Yes.
讲讲讲解入
The last one.
就
Yes. 九. Yes. Okay, 31. Now challenge, okay? Be careful. Okay, 31, please. Yes.
将将交进
Again, slowly.
将将交
Yes. 牵枪敲磬. 32.
写相信
Slowly.
写相信
Okay, good. 33. Easy. 33.
关关关外
Yes. 34.
关关公怪，
Slowly, please.
关关公怪，
Good. 35.
关关会关关会会
The last one.
会
会
会
Again, the last one.
会
Yes. Why, right? It's I. 何无 I. Why? Actually, from 32, 4, 5, initial have two parts, right? That's why like 35, 何无啊花何无安欢 Yes. Okay, 36, challenge, try.
装
Who say? Try.
装
36 again.
装
36. Listen. 36 again, slowly, loudly.
转转转
The first one?
转
Yes. So it's 专 庄 Yeah, 专 because 知无安专知文尊知无昂庄 So it's 专庄 37.
装
The last one?
准
Yes. So it's 川 春 Yes. 38. 38.
说酸爽
Good. 说酸爽 39.
说酸爽
39. Different. Be careful, okay? Again, 39. Slowly.
说
The first one.
说
刷 and then 抓 then 晃 then Yes. Okay, 39. Listen. Is 刷抓慌宽 Yes. Because different initial. That's why be careful. Okay, the last one. Big challenge. Who want to try? Be careful. The last one. The last one. Okay.
肉
Lead again. Slowly. Okay. Again.
肉
ru
Where are you?
Row. Row. Then. Oh, Rui.
Okay, neighbor have. Slowly, loudly. His pronunciation very good. Okay, now try again from the first one.
Row. Row. Ray. Run. Roll.
Very good, beautiful. Now listen. So 40, the first one is 弱 because the initial two parts 是日窝弱. The second one 肉 it's O, right? So 肉. The third one 是瑞 The fourth one 是润 Last one 是 wrong.